everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a card that I made using this die set here. I won this from Scrapdiva29. If you don't know, she started her own die collection as well as other things in her shop as well. So let me just show you this. I got it right here. There goes her shop. And she has a ton of other items in her shop as well, so you can just head right over and check out that. But today I will be using this pair of scissors as well as this little heart there to layer that up. And then these are the pieces that go on top. And then there goes the other scissors. So she gave you an extra little heart so it doesn't take all day to cut out things. So smart of her. I like that. So anyways, that's what I'm using from her set. And then from this set here, I am using the bigger Create that's back there. It looks like this, just in a die form, and then Your Own Happiness. This I got from, I want to say scrapbook.com, and I don't remember the name of the collection, but it's from Doodlebug. And so I am using that. From CC Designs, I will be using this little tag there. And then I got this from Shishi Crafts. She sent this to me, so I'm not sure where this came from, but I am using this little bow right there. And then from My Creative Time, I'm using several of these buttons from there. Spellbinders, I am using this here. And these little gems I picked up from BB Craft. And I am using this little Doris embossing folder there. I am also using this, I picked this up from Tuesday Morning not long ago, so I'm just now getting around to using it. I'm using that bag, of course. I think that's all I used from there. And then this is going to be my inside layer in the inside of my card. All right, so let me show you my card. And first off, I want to talk about these little hearts that come out of there. Now, you could easily use these little hearts for conversation hearts. Just do them in a plain color. If you have a die set, or stamp set rather, that's really small, or even a die set, and you can put little words on there, and you will have the perfect conversation hearts. Now, I don't have very many of them, but I could definitely use that love there and just mask that off or cut the stamp. But very easily, you could use those for the conversation hearts. I would have to be very careful because my grandchildren would probably think those are candy. But anyway, so let's jump into this card here. I thought it turned out super cute. I did pop up the scissors on 4mm foam there. I used some of that white, what is that, glitter paper that you can get from Walmart. First place I heard about it was on Crafty Bean's channel. I think it was Crafty Bean, and so I went out and picked some up, and that glitter paper is perfect, and it's white, so it's kind of hard to find white glitter paper. And then you can see all those little buttons that I got from My Creative Time. I just kind of spread them around, and there goes that Create. Love that embossing folder. It adds so much texture there. And then there goes that little bow. I thought it was perfect for that tag there. So yeah, so that's how that looks. Let me show you the inside of the card. I thought that turned out super cute as well. All right, so that is what I have for you there. Now, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know how this looks to you. I thought it turned out cute. Now, you all have a safe and happy new year. And thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Bye-bye.